Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you're a content creator, adventurer, or vlogger looking for the most compact and versatile 4K camera on the market, meet the Insta360 GO 3s. This is the latest evolution of Insta360's beloved thumb-sized action cam, and now it's sharper, smarter, and even more powerful than ever. At just a few inches tall, the GO 3s captures stunning 4K video in a package smaller than your thumb. That's right, 4K resolution in something you can literally wear on your shirt, mount to your dog, or stick to your skateboard. It's designed for effortless, hands-free POV shooting wherever life takes you. With 128 GB of internal storage and FlowState Stabilization, your footage stays smooth even during high-speed action, intense workouts, or bumpy trails. And yes, no gimbal required. The GO 3s features a powerful MagSafe-style mounting system that lets you attach it anywhere: hats, helmets, handlebars, backpacks, your pet's collar, you name it. It's the perfect tool for immersive storytelling and first-person adventures. New for this model is true 4K 30 FPS recording, which gives your videos rich detail, sharper colors, and cinematic vibes straight out of the camera. It's also waterproof up to 10 meters 33 feet right out of the box, no external case needed. Whether you're swimming, surfing, or caught in the rain, this cam can handle it. Battery life is seriously impressive. The Action Pod gives you up to 140 minutes of continuous shooting. The pod includes a flip touch screen for live preview, framing, and quick controls, making it feel like a tiny production studio in your hand. You also get voice control, AI-powered auto editing, and the Insta360 app to quickly reframe, crop, and export your shots directly to social media. And yes, it does pet POV. Mount it on your dog or cat and see the world through their eyes. It's not just a camera, it's a whole new perspective. Whether you're vlogging, traveling, skateboarding, biking, or capturing everyday magic, the Insta360 GO 3s gives you the freedom to film anywhere, hands-free, in cinematic 4K. Hit the link in the description to check out pricing and availability. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and tap the bell for more cutting-edge tech drops every day. See you in the next one.